Hey you guys, welcome to Charts with the Kimi-san. So this is going to be a part 2 of what's going on with the Euro USD, looking at the daily chart. Now, in the last video that we talked about, I was telling you guys that um, Euro USD is bearish, and I was very bearish, and it is headed towards that direction right now as we speak. And the reason why I understood this to go bearish is because when markets break the neckline right here, when markets break the neckline, they always have to retest. And when they come to retest, the thing you have to understand is that if the market is going to be strong in one particular direction, it's going to give you some type of signal. And when the neckline is broken and the markets go down and it starts reversing, if that candlestick is not pushing all the way through or piercing through that retest where the neckline is, there is a very huge possibility that the market is going to go down. And what I told you guys in the last video is that when the market was going down, you don't ever want to get in when the market, basically what I was telling you don't ever want to get in when you're going in a selling position on a red candle. So I told you yesterday that we were going to wait until we got a green candle, and that's when we're going to put our sell position in. So we went ahead and put our sell position in on our green candle, and then the market started going downwards. So this is what I'm saying, where you have to understand your necklines and you have to understand the activity that's going on that's happening around your neckline. Once you find out what's happening around that neckline, that's what's going to give you your analysis or give you the idea of what the chart may do next. And you just have to watch it, and you just have to go and zoom down to your smaller time frames, and then you have to use market structure and retest and understand exactly how that works. And that's how I teach my students, with understanding the break of the neckline is so important because it gives you the message. And once it retests, or even if it doesn't retest that area, that is also a big message for you to take in. So I tell my students that the neckline is important and to pay attention to it, because that's going to give you all the information that you need. So if you're following the Euro USD and you got in yesterday, congratulations. I know you're in profit right now, and this is where you're going to ride your trend down until it gives you the signal to get out. And sometimes this could be very tricky for people with understanding where to get out. And this is why it's also very good to understand how to read charts, because sometimes you can go and stay in a winning position for a very long time because that's just the trend. But it takes you to understand when you're starting to see some bullish moves coming in, and then that's where you get out. So you just have to watch your charts and understand how to end up taking your take profit so that you can be able to continue to keep making money in the markets. So right now with this trade, I'm going to stay in this trade until I get some type of buying pressure coming in. And until I see that, I'm going to stay in this trade all the way in. And that's how you make money, is that you just put your trade in and you let the trade run. And some people think that making money is going in and out of trades, in and out of trades, but it's really getting in at a good entry and just letting your trend run, letting your trade run, and gathering in all the profits that it possibly can from the people who were not patient enough to hold their trade and they get in and get out. Let them do all of that. You don't worry about that. You just stay and be patient and let the trend do what it's supposed to do. All right. So this is what I teach my students, in understanding how to get out of a trade. So if you're interested in that, like I said, you can definitely go check out my website, www.chartswithakimisun.com, where I give you a lot more information to understand how to read these charts properly. So good luck to everybody who got in the sale on the Euro USD. Let's keep winning.